This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Zilberer. Looking for a one-level home, newer with open floor plan? Well, this home may be the one. This home, built in 2010, has 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, large kitchen that is open to the living and dining areas, attached oversized garage, and mud room with butler's pantry. The dining area has a walkout to deck with views of the beautiful, fenced backyard that is perfect for pets or little ones. Both kitchen and dining have ceramic tile flooring. The primary bedroom has an ensuite bath with shower and tile flooring. You will also find a full bath also with ceramic tile flooring, laundry room, fresh interior paint and nice landscaped yard. Conveniently located close to WIU for those who work or go to school. For more information, review the details below.